In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select system, and here click on languages and input. Here go to spell checker, and you can smoothly activate it by tapping on this switcher, so just mark it unless it is active, and then you can smoothly pick the languages in which it should be active. So it can use either your system language, or you can pick some particular language that it will be active in. You can also go to virtual keyboard, then select Gboard as it's your default keyboard, select text correction then, and here you will notice also spell check. So you can smoothly tap on the switcher to have your misspelled words marked. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.